Hello students, welcome to my channel. I am Nitesh, your math teacher. Today we will start a new chapter of class 9th, which is chapter number 1, the number system. In this tutorial, I will just remind you the last things which you read about the number system, means to say what are integers, what are natural numbers. In this video, I will discuss about in those such numbers. Firstly, we will discuss about the natural numbers. What are natural numbers? So let's get started. Natural numbers. So simply we can call that the numbers which will start from the 1 and there is no end of these numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Here you can see that these are numbers which have no end and these are started from the 1. Okay. So now the next number is whole number. You can simply call that when we put a 0 in the natural numbers, then the numbers are whole number. When we put 0 or when we add 0 in the natural numbers, then the numbers are whole numbers. So we can say that the numbers which will start from the 0 are whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These are whole numbers. Now the third one is the even number. The third one is the integer. Integers. For the integers, you can simply say that all the positive natural numbers and all the negative natural numbers and the 0. These all are integers. Means to say all natural number positive. Positive means these all are positive. And when we add symbol negative, these are negative. And also I add a number 0 in these number. So these are integers. How we write it? 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. In the right hand side, you will keep going to the positive parts and the left side you will go for the negative parts and so on. There will be no end of positive natural numbers and negative natural numbers, similarly whole numbers, similarly natural numbers. So the next number is even number. Simply you can call that the even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. The numbers which are divisible by 2 means to say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. These are even numbers. Here the next number is the odd number. For the odd number, you can simply call that the numbers which are not divisible by 2. The numbers which are not divisible by 2. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and so on. These are the numbers which will not be divided by 2. So the next number is the prime number. prime number. For the prime number, you can call that these are the numbers which have exactly the two factors, and these two factors are, one is 1 and second one is itself. The numbers which have exactly two factors, one is 1 and second one is itself. These are the two factors for the prime numbers, rather than all the numbers are composite number. Its examples are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These all numbers have exactly two factors. One is 1 and second one is itself. Means to say, if I can say that the 11 is coming in the only two tables, one is in the 1 and second one is itself, means 11. So the number is called it prime number. Okay, the next one is composite numbers. Composite numbers are those numbers which have more than two factors. The numbers which have more than two factors. Okay, means to say it is coming two factors. Its examples are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15 and so on. These are the numbers which have more than two factors. And how the factors are, I will take an example 12. Now 12 is coming in the tables of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So how many factors of 12? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 factors of 12. So I can say that it is a composite number. But one of the interesting thing that I am not writing a number here. I am not writing a number 1, not in the prime nor in the composite. This is the special case. 1 is the special case of prime numbers and composite numbers. Means to say 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Why? The question arises, why? You can see that in the prime numbers, the numbers which have exactly two factors, and in the composite number, the numbers which have more than two factors. But in the case of 1, there is only one factor, which is 1. So we can say that 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. There will be no condition apply of prime number and composite number. So it is neither a prime number nor a composite number. These are the numbers system, the next number is our rational number. For the rational number, you can call it that the numbers which can be written in the P upon Q form, those numbers are called the rational number. But one condition is more Q is never equal to 0. Means to say, the numbers which can be written in P upon Q form and here Q is not equal to 0. P and Q any integer. P and Q any integers. Okay, this is the condition for the rational number which can be written in the P upon Q form and P and Q are integers but Q is not equal to 0. Okay, the next number is irrational number. You can simply call that the numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of P upon Q form. The numbers which cannot be expressed in the P upon Q form are called irrational number. So this is our number system. Now we can solve some questions which are depending on these numbers. So let's get started. So this is our example number first, which are true and false, and give reasons for your answer. The first question is, every whole number is a natural number. Its answer is no. It's false. Now what is the reason for its no? Because it is saying that every whole number is a natural number, but here a number 0 which is a whole number but it is not a natural number. So we can write here, because 0 is a whole number but not a natural number. But if we take this statement is just opposite, then every natural number is a whole number, then the statement is true, because every natural numbers are whole numbers. This is the true. Second question is, every integer is a whole number. Yes, this statement is true. Why? Because we can write all the integers in the form of P upon Q. Here, because we can write all the integers in the P upon Q form. Let us take an example. For example, -2. I can write it like that. In all the integers, the denominator is 1. So we can say that we can write all the integers in the P upon Q form. So the all integers are also the all rational number. The third one is every rational number is an integer. No, this is false. This is false because the rational number which is in the P upon Q form, I will take an example 3 by 4. I cannot say that it is an integer. So 3 by 4 is a rational number, but it is not an integer. Okay, this is your first example. Now I will give you some questions which are just like these questions. You can see now on the screen, and if you found any problem in these questions, I will give you the number in the description. You can contact me anytime. Thank you very much.